Good afternoon. Once again, I'm Jeffrey with Habibis Home Medical and Habibis Durable Medical. I'm here with my friend and coworker Tony, and today we're going to talk about an item that we do have on our website at gohhm.com. It is the toilet safety rails. Now, as you know from our past videos that we've put out there, we do cover a lot of items that may not necessarily be covered by all insurances, or in this case, any insurance. These are generally an out-of-pocket expense, but we do get a lot of requests for these toilet safety rails. A lot of people that maybe are not quite to the point where they're needing a bedside commode because they can actually make it still to the bathroom may still have difficulty rising from the toilet. So when you get this from us, it'll be in a whole bunch of little individual bags inside of a box, and each bag will have one of these 7 parts. Now I'm counting these as part of this because they're packaged together. You're going to get 2 legs, which will go on the front side, and then you're going to get 2 arms. And when I say arms, these are the arms that attach to the arms that you'll put your arms on, that attach these arms to the toilet seat. And then you're going to get the toilet seat connection as well. So these are really simple to put together. They can only go in there one way. Once again, we have our standard spring pin connectors, which attach the legs, and then which attach the arms to the toilet seat. We have the little fly bowl that attaches right in here. Now there are 2 settings for wide and then for less wide if you're a thinner, smaller person. And these attach right in here like this. Sometimes. And then we're going to repeat that with the other side. Putting on the front leg. Now we do quite a few of these to folks. As I said, some people have not gotten to the point where they cannot make it to the bathroom, but generally speaking, the only things covered for within the bathroom are covered by Medicaid, and this is not one of the things that is covered. But people still like these things. So once this is firmly attached here, you've got your setup. Now, to attach this to your toilet seat, you need to take off your toilet seat itself, the ring, the seat, etc. And you can use a penny, because it's a big plastic screw that's in the back of there. And then you're going to put this on here, and then you're going to put your toilet seat back down, and you're going to screw it back on through here. And what this does is it's going to give you a seat and these arms. To use this item, once you've gotten them installed securely, and we do want you to install it securely. If you need help with this, if you are somebody that is not able to use a lot or have great manual dexterity, have somebody help you. The last thing we want is anybody to fall due to not putting this thing together properly. And as you can see, I now have 2 arms that I can take and push myself up after I've used the bathroom. As I said, this is not a covered item, but we do have it at our website, gohhm.com, and we would be more than happy to provide you one of these. We hope that you will subscribe, and if you find this content useful, give us a comment, but please subscribe, and we'd love to hear from you. You guys have a great day. Thank you.